Good morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video. Is BDG Kevin, and in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how we guys can log into Bank of Montreal. And you guys are watching Tech World U to channel the spirit symbols for those people that do not know Bank of Montreal. It's a Bank of Canada, and it's a multinational bank, which means like it's located in various countries as well. So if this bank is located in your country, or like, if you travel to the country in which this bank is located, if you guys have account in this bank, you guys can access all the features of this bank and other country as well. And there's a lot of features as well. So if you guys want to know more a bit, you can visit the official website, which is BMO.com. Alright, so if you guys are new to this channel, be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video, and let's move on, shall we? First step is you want to search for Bank of Montreal. After you do that, you just want to click on Race's BMO Bank of Montreal online banking. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the offshore website over here. Once you're over here, basically just want to enter a card number over here. After you enter your card number, basically want to enter the password of your account. And after you do that, you just want to click on continue, and if the information like the account number and the password entered over here is correct, you should be able to log. That's basically how simple it is. So because we're able to understand the video, if you guys did, be sure to hit that like and subscribe, hit notification on so you guys can get notified for future videos, and I'm signing up. Bye bye.